Welcome to this video on the stock market for beginners. If you've ever been curious about how the share market works, or how people make money by investing in stocks, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explain the basics of the stock market and some key terms you need to understand in the simplest way possible. No complex jargon, just clear explanations. So, what exactly is the stock market? Think of it as a big marketplace where people buy and sell small pieces of companies. These small pieces are called shares or stocks. When you buy a share, you're actually owning a small part of that company. If the company performs well, your share may increase in value. If not, the value can go down. Now let's go over some basic terms that every beginner should know. First, a share or stock is simply a unit of ownership in a company. The stock exchange is the place where these shares are bought and sold. Popular ones include the New York Stock Exchange, the NASDAQ, or the Nepal Stock Exchange. You'll often hear about bull markets and bear markets. A bull market means that prices are rising and investors are optimistic. A bear market is when prices are falling and there's more fear and caution. Another important term is IPO, which stands for Initial Public Offering. This is when a company sells its shares to the public for the first time, basically opening its doors to investors. Then there's dividends. These are portions of a company's profit that are shared with shareholders. Not all companies offer dividends, but when they do, it's like receiving a reward for investing. Your portfolio is simply the collection of all the stocks and investments you own. A well-diversified portfolio spreads the risk and helps protect your money. So why do people invest in the stock market? Mainly to grow their money over time. With smart choices and patience, investing in stocks can help beat inflation and build long-term wealth. But remember, the stock market also comes with risks. Prices can fluctuate due to many factors, and it's possible to lose money. That's why it's important to do proper research, stay informed, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. That's a quick overview of the share market and some key terms for beginners. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and useful content about money and investing. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help.